Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by importing both your green screen clip and the background into After Effects, then create a composition that matches your footage settings. Once done, select the green screen layer and apply effect keying Keylight 1. 2. Use the screen color picker to sample the green area. This removes most of the background quickly. Make sure to toggle view to screen matte to inspect the alpha. If large areas are transparent, proceed. If not, adjust screen gain and screen balance before moving on. Next, you refine the matte to keep edges crisp and remove fringe. First, view screen matte and tweak clip black and clip white to tighten the mask. This cleans small speckles. Once done, apply matte choker or refine matte to choke and smooth edges, then blur minimally to avoid softening hair. After the alpha is stable, use advanced spill suppressor and targeted color correction to remove green spill and match the subject's color balance to the new background, because color consistency sells realism. Now you composite the keyed subject over the background, align scale and position, and add contact shadows or subtle blur to integrate depth. Once satisfied, enable motion blur for moving subjects and check edges frame by frame. For export, set your render settings to quality and choose a codec like ProRes or H.264 depending on delivery. If you see edge flicker or transparent holes, pre-compose the keyed layer. Apply a small temporal blur or animate matte choke value.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.